the LG E20 user here, and today in the new video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G for straight talk. So if you guys want to get a like a mid-range Samsung smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition should be one for you. So it's available now for $699 and $99. It's available in blue. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like. So you have a whole bunch of facing camera. Power and volume keys will be on the left side of the phone now. On the back of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is a triple camera setup, camera flash, Samsung logo. On the right side of the phone, like I said, is your power and volume keys. So it looks like the Galaxy S20, but it does have slightly lesser specs. This is like a mid-range high-end smartphone, so that's pretty good. Back up here, so it says that the new Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, super smooth 120Hz, immersive display, space zoom, single take, night mode, all day battery, of course. So it's pretty nice. So there's seriously guys, so the dimensions on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition are 6.29 inches height, 2.93 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The screen is 6.5 inches Infinity Air display, 4HD dynamic AMOLED. 3 cameras on the back, had 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel wide angle camera on the back. And the front facing camera, I have no idea, probably I don't know what the front facing camera is, I'm not sure what megapixels that is, offhand here. All day battery, Bluetooth 5.0, 4500 mAh battery. It does have GPS. It's hearing aid compatible. Talk time 39 hours of talk time, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. And I think it's 6 gigabytes of RAM. I think 6 gigabytes of RAM, so not too bad. And it has, in the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, weighs 6.70 ounces, and it is a touch screen keyboard. So, yeah. What's in the box is your Galaxy S20 Fan Edition USB cable, travel adapter, USB-C, AKG headset, clear phone case with this nice extra earbuds and the ejection tool. So more features. It does have Android 10 with One UI 2.0. Capture epic snaps with a triple lens program camera. Take game-changing pics and video with the triple lens camera and daytime optical zoom. Sheet wants get multiple options for a perfect social feed edit. Since Sheet wants get multiple options for a perfect social feed with single take AI. Capture video in multiple types of images with one tap of the shutter button. That's pretty nice. Never miss a moment even without the flash with night mode. Capture crisp images and video at night without flash. Zoom further to feel closer with 30 times space zoom. Zoom in place from far away and capture images. That's really nice. Okay. So that's kind of weird how Straight Talk has their website set up now. It's pretty interesting. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G now available at Straight Talk for $699 and $99. So if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy phone but don't want to spend like $1,000 or more on a Samsung Galaxy S20 5G, you can get the Fan Edition of the Galaxy S20 for $699.99, and you guys will be pretty satisfied with that. It does come with Android 10, but it will be Android 11 pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So not bad for $700. So if you guys want a Galaxy S20 phone but don't want to pay $1,000 for it, the Galaxy S20 FE edition is a phone for you. It does have pretty nice specs. I don't like the color, but I just don't. I'm not a fan of the blue here. I'm just not a fan of it. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition 5G, not about straight talk. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.